Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to cut an Ankara pant for a baby. So first things first, I'm going to fold the Ankara into two. I'm cutting the front and back together. So I folded into four like this. This is folded into four. The first thing I'm going to do is to mark 1 inch like this. To mark 1 inch out for either the elastic panel or a rope panel. Then from that point, that line is now my waistline. So from that point, I'm going to mark out the crush line and the crouch line, whatever any way you understand, crouch line. And the crouch line will be using for the measurement of this baby is 7. Then the next thing I'm measuring is 15 inches, that's the trouser length, and 1 inches for the hemming length. I'll just use 1 inch to hem the trouser. Why I'm using 7 inches for the crouch is because of the baby's diaper. Then I will come to this with the waistline and I'll measure out my hip divide by 4. I will be using 6 including ease and sewing allowance. Then on the crouch line, I will still mark out my hip measurement. So I will connect the points together like this. After connecting the point like that, I'll come to the crouch line and mark 1 inch for the crouch extension for this curve, as you can see. Then I will come to the thigh. I will divide my thigh by 2, which is 5.5, including ease and sewing allowance. Then I will come to the ankle. I will measure the same thing I measured on the thigh. I want it to be baggy. I don't want a fitted pant trouser for my baby. It's just like palazzo. Then I'm going to connect all these lines together. So I will just use my hand. Better still, I'll just take my tape rule. Since my ruler is not here, I'll just use my tape rule to make a slant and connect the lines together. So it's done. Remember, I'm cutting the front and back together. That's why I folded into 4 like this. So I'll cut it out. So simple like ABC. So that, you see, I folded into 4. So I'm going to split this place into 2 now. My pant trouser is ready. Remember, you use this method for babies. You can use this for adults when you are sewing a very wide palazzo trouser, but mostly this method is used for babies. As you can see, simple like ABC.